Dig, map, and explore exciting careers in geology. Welcome to Mineral Projects Intel, where we dig deeper into the world of mineral projects, where we unpack the complex world of mineral projects investment, and where we make sense of the science, strategy, and sometimes the jargon behind it all. If you have been wondering about the possible career paths in geology and the future of mineral resources, you're in the right place. Here we will look at about 50 possible specialties in the field of geology that one can pursue. First, let us look at 20 core geological specialties with a brief description of what each is. Petrologist studies the origin, composition, and texture of rocks. Mineralogist focuses on minerals, their chemical structure and properties. Geochemist analyzes chemical composition of rocks, water, soils, and ore deposits. Structural geologist studies folds, faults, and rock deformation processes. Sedimentologist examines sedimentary rocks and depositional environments. Volcanologist investigates volcanoes, magma, lava flows, and eruptions. Paleontologist studies fossils to understand past life and ecosystems. Hydrogeologist focuses on groundwater systems and water resources. Environmental geologist deals with pollution, hazards, and land use planning. Geomorphologist studies landforms and the processes shaping them. Engineering geologist applies geology to construction, tunnels, dams, and other infrastructure. Economic geologist searches for and evaluates ore deposits and mineral resources. Exploration geologist conducts fieldwork, mapping, drilling, and geophysical studies to find new deposits. Petroleum geologist explores and assesses oil and gas reservoirs. Quaternary geologist studies recent geologic history, glacial deposits, and climate change. Seismologist, geophysicist, investigates earthquakes and subsurface structures using physical methods. Planetary astrogeologist studies rocks and landforms on other planets and moons. Volcanic hazard geologist specializes in predicting and mitigating volcanic hazards. Engineering geophysicist applies geophysical methods to assess sites for construction safety. Soil pedologist studies soil formation, composition, and suitability for agriculture. Now let's give you 10 applied industrial geologist career paths one can pursue. Mine geologist focuses on mineral deposits during extraction in mines. Grade control geologist ensures quality and mining efficiency in operations. Environmental remediation geologist designs solutions for contaminated land or water. Hydrocarbon reservoir geologist models oil gas reservoirs for production optimization. Geological risk analyst evaluates geological hazards for finance, insurance, or engineering projects. Geotechnical engineer geologist combines civil engineering with geology for safe structures. Marine geologist or oceanographer studies seabed, sediments, tectonics, and marine mineral deposits. Mining consultant or mineral resource estimator advises mining companies on reserves, ore quality, and economics. Remote sensing geologist uses satellite or aerial imagery for mapping and exploration. GIS geologist, spatial analyst, applies geographic information systems to geological data. Next up, we look at 10 research and academic geologist roles. So, one can be an academic geologist or professor. As we all know, they are teachers, researchers, and publishers in universities. Experimental geologist conducts lab-based simulation of geological processes. Isotope geologist uses isotopic data for age dating and geochemical studies. Stratigrapher studies rock layers to reconstruct Earth's history. Paleoclimatologist uses geological evidence to study past climate changes. Hydrothermal geologist investigates ore deposits formed by hot fluids. Tectonist or structural geologist researches plate tectonics and crustal deformation. Volcanic petrologist combines petrology and volcanology to study magma evolution. Sedimentary basin analyst studies sediment accumulation and basin evolution for resources. Geochronologist determines the age of rocks and minerals using dating methods. Then we come to 15 exciting specialized and niche geology career options. Forensic geologist applies geology in criminal investigations. Gemologist specializes in gemstones and their identification, valuation. Geoarchaeologist Archaeological geologist applies geology to archaeology, studying sediments, site formation, and provenance. Volcanic risk assessor evaluates hazards to populations near volcanoes. Energy geologist explores renewable or non-renewable energy resources like geothermal or coal. Planetary mapping geologist maps planetary surfaces for space missions. Environmental impact geologist studies geology for development and environmental assessments. Science communicator, travel geologist, adventure geologist combines travel, writing, and geological interpretation for public engagement. Geoeducator, public outreach specialist, teaches geology outside academia, including museums or schools. Hydrocarbon coal geologist focuses specifically on coal, gas, and oil resources. Glaciologist, a cryogeologist, studies glaciers, ice sheets, and frozen terrains. Seafloor submarine geologist explores undersea volcanoes, ridges, and sedimentation. Volcanic gas geochemistry specialist measures volcanic gases and chemical flux for hazard monitoring. Applied mineralogist, material scientist, studies minerals for industrial applications. Geoengineer, hydrogeotechnical specialist, applies geology to water and soil management in civil engineering. If you found this interesting, like, subscribe, and share for more mining insights. If you are interested in me expanding this list explaining where one can be employed in each of these fields, please like or subscribe, and when I hit 1,000 likes, 100 subscriptions due to this post, I will do so. Because in the world of mineral projects, knowledge isn't just power, it's value. Thanks for watching.